Servus and welcome! I'm René, a senior consultant at Tenfold, and in this video we will cover the preparation for adding a file server to Tenfold. Before adding a file server to Tenfold, we should navigate to Privileges, Permission Groups, File Servers, Settings, and set up this rule how you need it. Tenfold uses Microsoft's recommended group-based file server access approach, AGDLP, which stands for Accounts, Global Group, Domain Local Group, Permission. Especially in single domain environments, you might not need a global group nested in a domain local group. Most commonly used are AGDLP uses in domain local group or AGP, which skips the domain local part. After that, you can decide the components that should be part of Tenfold created file server AD security groups. Maybe you want to share, or maybe you want the server, or you skip either one of them. At least one of them is definitely recommended. The directory name and the suffix cannot be disabled. Please note that the RBAC mode cannot be changed after the first group is created. After you set it up like you want it, click on Save and once again navigate to Privileges, Permission Groups, File Server, and Write Sets. Write Sets define the suffix for default permission types like read and execute and modify. You can change the name of each individual write set and change the suffix if you'd like. Here on the right, we can define if this write set should be available in self-service or if it should be hidden for data owners, which would be responsible persons for the directory they are set for. After that, you're ready to go to add as many file servers or share as you want or need.